interesting thing from a pure tax play perspective, have been things like in individual tax returns, one was required to do a disclosure of your foreign assets. And sometimes it was so silly that, if you didn't report a 5 lakh rupee deposit lying in a bank account abroad, you would get a 10 lakh rupee penalty under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. I think they've now increased that limit to 20 lakhs, which makes it a little more sane than being at 5 lakhs. And I think additionally, the fact that they've increased all the limits for escalating litigation. Just to sort of explain that a little better, one of the biggest litigators, incidentally, is the government and the tax department itself, because, it's very funny, but, the ITAT will not accept the order of Commissioner Income Tax. Until they go to High Court, there is really no resolution, for an individual or a company. What they've now done is they have made those limits for the government to litigate, which is basically the tax department to litigate, fairly reasonable. So, for example, for ITAT matters, it's 60 lakhs. If you want to go to the High Court, then, what is involved in terms of tax recovery should be at least 2 crores. If it's Supreme Court, then at least 5 crores. I think these kind of limits add a lot of heft to this argument of wanting to reduce litigation. And I think this is hugely going to help individuals, MSMEs and startups, because really these are the companies who don't have the bandwidth or the money power to fight long protracted litigation. So I think these are all steps in the right direction.